Good Monday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and the bird is perched on the tree. It's got a little executing some cold air out there. This morning we've got some interior fog in Connecticut and northwestern New Jersey, and a small disturbance passing through with some cirrus clouds overhead, but it's going to be a nice day, and we'll get to the video forecast discussion for the rest of today and the week ahead right now. This is the video forecast discussion for Monday, the 7th of December, 2015. And on your way out the door this morning, we have basically some cirrus clouds across the region as a trough axis or weak upper level disturbance moves through the region. Skies are already brightening in many locations here. We've got some visibility restrictions due to some interior fog this morning, where visibilities are down to about a half or a quarter mile. There's some freezing fog up here in central and northern Connecticut this morning, where temperatures are below freezing, and so are the dew points, and all this ground fog and freezing fog will begin to lift throughout the region, and all the cloud cover will begin to lift out of the region too. And underneath that, over the top of that, is a beautiful day ahead with warming temperatures as well. And we do have some frosty temperatures out there this morning. Temperatures in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area generally in the mid to the upper 30s. Over interior sections where the skies were generally clear overnight and light winds, everything decoupled, and the temperatures are generally running anywhere from the mid 20s to around freezing. All the colors here in blue. And on the aviational weather deck today, we have some MVFR and IFR here in the Susquehanna River Valley area of southeastern Pennsylvania up towards the Poconos as well. Also, portions of interior Connecticut, southeastern Hudson Valley region of New York has some interior fog this morning, and all of this fog will begin to lift after daybreak this morning, with conditions improving across the forecast region. Now, will continue for the remainder. VFR conditions will continue for the remainder of the day and the evening, and increasing cloud cover will occur late this evening and overnight tonight as the disturbance aloft moves across the area. And this could help prevent fog from reforming overnight tonight. Light and variable winds early and calm out of the west-southwest earlier this morning, becoming in northeast later today and tonight. Wind speeds generally 5 to 10 knots or less. Mainly VFR tomorrow, Tuesday night, and Wednesday VFR. Some low clouds may develop by late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Wednesday night and Thursday mainly VFR. Again, some low clouds and fog may develop from late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And Thursday night and Friday, widespread low clouds and fog may develop for late Thursday night into Friday, possibly reducing ceilings and visibility values into MVFR and IFR ranges. Right now outside of Newark, we have a little fog, 6 miles visibility, broken at ceilings at 25,000. Temperature 38, dew point 34, humidity 85%. Basically, VFR conditions are in place right now, and that will continue throughout the day. Philadelphia right now is in MVFR. We have 4 miles in fog, temperature 38, dew point 35, humidity 89%. Few clouds at 500. 9,500, and the high jet stream clouds with the cirrus there at 25,000. VFR conditions later to be in place. Generally a nice week coming up for this afternoon. We basically have this disturbance moving off the Carolina coast. This is the area of low pressure that we talked about a couple of days ago over the weekend and last week. It's going to spread its cloud shield up across eastern sections, partly cloudy in the interior to partly to mostly sunny tomorrow over the interior. A few more clouds around the coast in central and eastern Long Island, but very little in the way of rainfall because this low will continue to develop its shield and move off the coast on Tuesday and Tuesday morning and then out to sea as more high pressure builds in on Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into early Thursday. We could find this next cold front moving in with cloud cover increasing and a few light showers around on Thursday, but after that temperatures really begin to modify into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, not out of the question as we head into the weekend, which is definitely some 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of the year. GFS maps into motion. Here comes the storm system off the Carolina coast and spreading its rain shield further to the east of the forecast region. More high pressure building in tomorrow and again on Wednesday night, and Thursday. Another disturbance passing through the Great Lakes in southeastern Canada. Bring a few more clouds. An isolated shower threat across the interior of northwestern New Jersey and the Poconos on Thursday morning. Other than that, nothing really. Comes the next disturbance of a deep low moving into the Great Lakes and southeastern Canada, and warm air advection beginning to move into the region for Thursday night, Friday, and into the weekend with heights rising, temperatures rising to well above normal for this time of the year. The next storm system in the polar branch here lifting up towards Canada as strong high pressure remains offshore the mid-Atlantic and southern New England coastal waters. That means a southwesterly wind and very mild temperatures on Saturday, approaching 60 in Philadelphia, upper 50s to around 60 in the New York City metropolitan area. Now, every time we get past the 7 to 10 day period here, it looks like the GFS always too fast and too deep with the interaction of the polar and subtropical branch as the front moves in. Low pressure develops on the front and then spreads a shield of rain across the region. The next threat of rain will be on Monday, December 14th, and right now that is too far out to call this even a moderate to heavy rain threat at this time. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Get out and enjoy this fine weather because, well, winter is around the corner eventually.